Welcome back. So today we are going to set up our GitHub account. So for us to set up a GitHub account, you need to go to Chrome browser. When you go to Chrome browser, you now search for GitHub sign up. You can see go github.com. Okay, so click on it. Also click on it. We're going to see the sign up button there. You can see this is sign up to GitHub. So we're going to enter our email. Now enter your email, then click on sign up for GitHub. Alright, so now click on continue. I need to create a password, so I'm going to create a password. Click on continue. Once you're done, now you have to find a username you're going to use. So I'm going to use a simple username. Click on continue. Once you're done, I think we need to click on continue. So now wait for you find your account. Let's wait for it to verify finish. Okay, protecting your account, you may need to solve this puzzle first to continue. Verify. Okay, so you should use the arrow to rotate the object to face in the direction of the hand. So we're going to submit. Okay guys, we need to continue. So just make sure you do all this verification finish. Click on submit. I think we are done. Let's wait a little. Now it's almost done now. They've sent a code to the Gmail account, so let's go and check the code there, and now configure the code. So go to your Gmail. Once you go to your Gmail, you'll be able to see the code sent. Okay, this is it. Just open the code. So this is the code. Just click on it like this and you'll be able to copy. Oh, sorry guys. So just click on it and you'll be able to copy it. Click on copy. Let's go back to the GitHub. We're going to we paste the code there. Click on paste, then automatically you can see. Then this is it. Now therefore automatically created our account. So it's very easy. So guys, if you found this video helpful, click the like button, share and comment.